Hey everyone, welcome back. In this particular video, we will going to talk about QR code for restaurant. Basically, not for the restaurant, it can for the cafe, it can for hotel, it's for any food industry related. It can be also the food truck also because since the COVID come, no one want to touch the menu and the scan the viruses, so everyone want to scan the basically menu, or it's also save the paper. It's also you can change the menu according to your limit. You don't have to reprint it. There's so many different benefits. You can track your audience, you can place a order directly from QR code. You don't have to waiter have to go and collect the order. There's so many advantage. So they have a multiple startup, like you must have a menu option, like you can place your QR code something like this. People going to scan and they will see the your complete menu. And then you have a old menu करके you have something like this. Yeah, we have a multiple option, but we are not going to talk about how to use them. We are going to talk about how you can set up it and run as a SaaS based business, means software as a service, so you can earn a regular passive income. So we're going to start it now. So for that we need a one thing, we need a script. So we are going to use QR menu SaaS, contactless QR restaurant menu, quick QR system. Okay, so it's a really interesting software. You can see more than 2000, almost 2000 people are already downloaded, recently updated every year, and every 3 to 6 months it's getting updated. So you have an option, easy to set up. We're going to set up this now in front of you. So I have already provided you link in description for the best price, lower than this price, much lower than this price. It's almost around the $2. Okay, for set up this we needed two things. First we needed this script, so link already provided. Second we need a hosting. So I already provided hostinger. The hostinger is a really reliable and secure hosting with so much the easy interface. I can't tell you. If you're going to follow this video step by step, you don't have to worry about anything. You can set up this system in few clicks, really literally in few clicks. And also I provided the description, the QR, basically a affiliated link. If you buy from that link, you will get around 80 to 90% off in hosting. That's really a lot. Okay, so first what we need to do, once you bought a hosting and domain and it's set up now, then next thing what you have to do, in my case I already set up a subdomain call as a demo. Okay, so I'm going to install my all the script on this particular folder. So as you can see, first let me open this. You can see the 403. So first I'm going to browse to my hosting file manager, and I'm going to file manager and access the my hosting file manager, and I'm in my main folder of subdomain. So first, and then I'm going to browse through my location and I will see where's the code. Here's the code. Let me upload this code. So it's going to take slightly time to upload this code. It's going to take around 2 minutes. Till then we will going to utilize this time, and we will going to create a database. So we will do on the management database section, and we will going to mention our database. There's already one database from the same credentials. Let me delete it first. Here you have to type your database name. You can mention anything. You can mention QR menu and anything. So I'm going with the demo one. So easy to remember. And here's my credentials. You have to use always a secure credentials. So database already created. And let me extract this script for you in a one folder. So I can show you have a key file also, so that we're going to use in our as a purchase key options. So here we have a key option. So you have to, once you download the file, you have this option also. This is a really important file because we need to provide a purchase code. So it's going to take a little bit time to upload it. As you can see, our file is uploaded. Now all we need to do is right click and click on extract and provide the folder name. So let me reload it once again and again click it. Some error, let me delete it and re-upload this file. Okay, I did one mistake. Actually, I copied the file from the mail location, so that's why it's not uploaded completely. So sorry for that. So as you can see, our file completely uploaded right now. So let me click it and extract it. So as you can notice, my primary language is not English, so be bear with me. So here's a script. Let me copy it and move it to our primary folder. So once it's done, let me reload it. So as you can see, quick CMS installation. So start installation, click on the next. Now we need to provide database name and everything. So first we need to provide a host. Databases, that's going to be localhost, database name, database username, database password that you provided, and next. And here you need to provide a purchase code. So let me mention the purchase code first. And we need to provide the admin name. So we're going with the admin. Username going to be admin and admin email address, and the password. So our installation completed. Click on the go to home. So as you can see, our installation successfully completed. So here you can see that some images are not loading because these are not images, these are the basically ad. But how we're going to change the testimonial, how we're going to change everything, that we're going to talk about. First we need to click /login, and here we need to mention our details like that we provided first there to where they were when we are mentioning our installation details. So the admin and the password going to be same that you provided out there. So once you mention the correct login details, it's going to log in. So here you can see we have an option. You can see here you will see the list of the all restaurants that registered on your website. Then you have an option of allergies. If you wanna mention allergies to some specific food, you can mention there. And here you will going to see the all the users. So we have currently one user, that is admin. Then you have an option of plan option. We have a two plan, free plan and trial plan. You can create a multiple plan like silver, gold, according to your needs. Then you have a plan additional plan option that we're going to skip it. Then you have a coupon code option. If you need to generate a discount coupon, you can generate anything discount coupon. It's a 20% discount coupon valid till 28 Feb, and let me click it. So here's a coupon code. If someone you going to use this coupon code while doing a payment from the premium plan, they will get a 20% additional discount. Then you have a tax option. So if you want to add any tax on your plan like VAT and sale tax or GST tax, you can. Then we have a payment gateway option. By default they provided the large number of payment gateway option, like if you are from India you can use the Razor Pay. If you want to use the in USA you can use the PayPal and credit card debit card option. All you need to just go to your payment gateway and you need to provide their API key and secret key that you can get from their website after registering it. So in this demo we are not going to use any specific payment gateway because there are so many options. We are going with the wire transfer option. Then once someone do the transaction in your website, you will see all the transaction details here. Then next option we have a email template. There are basically 6 email template. Whenever restaurant receive the order, they will going to receive this particular email: restaurant name, new order, customer name, table number, and message. So if you want to add something else, if you want to promote some product and some image, you can mention that here. So whenever they're going to receive the email, they will going to receive the, so that's also can be one way to monetize it. Then they have a newsletter subscription option. In your front website, you have an option to email subscribe. If someone subscribe it, you will get see the email there, and then you can do the email marketing. Here we have an option of blog, so where we can mention the our blogs to our main website. So if you want to use it, you can. Then we have a testimonial option, so we're going to create one more testimonial from the name of Neha. So let's call it Neha Singh, destination HR, and here's a comment. So we need to upload any photo, just skip it for now, and let me, okay, I told you like image is important. So we're going to download one image of Neha Singh from the Google. So okay, this image is looking quite good, so let me download it, image, and let me upload the image. So and then, so as you can see, our testimonial uploaded. Next option, you have a page option. If you want to create if you are applying for any payment gateway like Razorpay or PayPal, they need a shipping policy, they need exchange return policy, then you can create a different pages according to your need. Then you have FAQ option. So if you want to create FAQ, you can. Then here you can see the images option of basically advertisement. If you want to show some ad on your home page, you have a two option, like let me show you. I need to log out for that, but here you can see first one option and second option. So if you want to run ad on this option, then you need to run ad here. Home page 1, home page 2, you can run ad here. First let me re-log in it. Okay, so here you have an option, or you need to just go to the particular home page 1 option, and you just need to copy your AdSense or any script, and you need to post it here, and the ad automatically going to run on your website. Then you have an option of setting. That's a really important option. So currently we have a one theme available by default. In case their future theme, then you can activate and upload them from here. So here you have an option to upload a plugin. So currently we are using just a free version. So here you have an option to change a site title. Here you can say enable and disable option according to your need. Okay. Then you have a theme setting option. If you want to change color, like I need to change a little bit darker color. So let me change this and change. Okay, it's done. But we can't see the, just reload the page, you can see the changes. Then you have an option to change your basically logo of your company, because you're not going to run the same logo. Of course you're going to change it to according to your startup and your company name, you can change it. Then you have an international option, like I need to run on like a Indian rupees currency. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to type rupees symbol and going to copy the symbol and paste it here. And here I'm going to write INR. You can go with the USD also. It's depend on up to you. If you want to go Dhaka, USD, and dirham, anything that you can pound, you can copy it. There's an option. Then you have an option called social login. Social login is really important. Like no one nowadays want to registered on a website and do all the sign up detail. They just want to log in from the Facebook or Google. You can do that. We're going to create one video, a specific video how to create a app for specific for social login. Currently we're not going to cover that part in this video specifically, because video length going to be really damn big. So for that you can watch our next video. Then we have a testimonial setting, so you can see it's going to show on the home page, so on the blog page. And we have an add-on option, like if you want to enable like Google Analytics, so you can mention your key, so you can see how much traffic coming to your website. In case you want to mention something on anything else on your website, you can use the custom code option. Now what next we need to do? So we're going to on the website. So here we have an option for as a user point of view. First we have seen the admin side of point of view. Now it's a you are basically, if someone registered on your website, how they're going to see? They're going to see the dashboard. So for that, I'm going to cafe logo. We need our logo, so we're going to search for the cafe logo. So we're going to copy this specific logo, and we're going to download one image file for not a T logo, we need a T photo. Okay, so here's the any image you can download, and we're going to use this as a cover photo. We download the three image that we're going to use in our when we're going to create a restaurant. So you're going to click on the add a restaurant. So we're going to restaurant name, so we're going to call it Park and Puff. So here you need to type the same thing but without a space, because it's basically for the URL. So URL don't support the space. Then the timing of restaurant is 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and here you're going to mention the phone number. So in the phone number here you can type any description: best cafe for tea in city, and everything and anything else you want to mention it. Here you can mention your address, and here you need to upload a logo. So here's the logo, here's a cover photo. So we're going to upload this as photo as a cover photo, and we have a 3 theme. So you can select any theme that you like. So I like this one, modern theme lot, so I'm going with this theme. Then you have an option menu. So here you can create an option like a main category. It can be beverages also, it can be a salad, it can be a main course, it can be soup, it can be anything. Okay, so we have created a one, and then we're going to create a one category tea. Then you can create a okay, so tea, and now we're going to add our menu. So it's going to be milk tea, or you can add a green tea also. So we're going to copy the same description. Price we're going to call it 100 US 100 INR, and let me upload the image of, it's really tempting image of the tea. So our basically one menu is ready. Okay, you can add a multiple item. So you can see 0 people scan it right now. So you have option to QR code scan. You can do one thing, or if you can just download this QR code and place it on your table, or you can download this particular PST file and edit it. Or we can do one more thing, we can create a table also. Okay, we can't create a table, so let me create this option as a phone option. So you're going to see whenever someone going to scan it, they're going to see something like that. Let me call this one, call the waiter. So I'm going to call number 1 and send. You're going to see alert here in few seconds, as you can see. Okay, customer calling from table 1. Okay, I need to order a tea, so I'm going to click on add option, add a option, view order. I'm going to mention my name. So my name, table number, message, anything message you're gonna type, send an order, done. Order placed successfully. Let me see. So as you can see, order is here. So if you want to see the order, you can see, you can print this receipt and send it to your customer. Oh, sorry, not to customers. You can send it to the basically your kitchen order, or you can complete the order. Done. As simple as that. So here you guys are going to see currently I didn't scan the QR code. So let me open the code and scan for the my mobile and see the scanning number change or not. And now I'm again going to place an order from the different name. Order done. Let me see the order placed from, you can see a new order has been placed. So let's see the scanning. You can see one scan is complete. So whenever someone going to scan, like you have set the membership limit to, like in this plan there is a limit of 50 scan per month. So you can create different plans. So if some 50 customers scan your QR code, then it's going to automatically post. They have to move from the free to the premium version plan. So that's how basically this works. This is a really good option. This can be implemented in any country, any city, anywhere. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, support us. It's a first video of our channel.